Fix Xbox app error 0x80073d0d in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Clear Windows Store cache. Sometimes, issues with the Windows Store cache can cause installation errors, so clearing it might fix the 0x80073d0d error. Fix 2. Run Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. Fix 3. Check for corrupted files. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all commands, restart your computer and try again, and your problem should be fixed. Fix 4. Reset the Xbox app and Microsoft Store. If that didn't work, fix 5. Reinstall gaming services. Gaming services are directly related to all Microsoft games, so reinstalling them might resolve installation errors. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video.